Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, I've got a little bit experiment today. So I am going to try reverse stamping with gel polish. I have done this before, but I didn't record it. So this is an old clear stamper. As you can see, there is a massive tear in it. So I thought I would try it on here. So I have a bunch of different polishes out. So what I've done is I haven't put a base coat on it yet. So we will see how this goes. So let me just dispense some of these colours out and then I shall be right back. Okay, I have my colours out and I have some of my brushes. So we are just going to start. Let me just get a bit of paper just so you can actually see what I'm doing. So we will just go in and just start reverse stamping. Now I would say try not to pile it on too thick, because obviously the thicker you put it on, the longer it's going to take to cure. Now remember, it is gel polish, so it will move on the stamper head, because obviously it's silicone. So yeah, I would just do thin even layers and just make sure you keep checking it. So that is one done there. I think I need a slightly thicker brush, otherwise we're going to be here all day. So I am just moving the gel polish around. Now remember, the gel polish is not cured, so I mean you could cure in between, which is what I might do in a minute, just so it doesn't move, because as you can see the colours are slightly blending. I don't mind that, but some people might. So I should have had some isopropyl alcohol handy. So I'm just going to continue filling this in. So yeah, I would just say sort of try and do it in thin even layers like you would for your own nails, because obviously the thicker it's going to be, the longer it's going to take to cure. So I'm just going to, okay, so that's flash cured. So let's go in with the purple now. I just thought I would do this because I've been meaning to do this for so long. I just haven't got round to doing it. And I will do a regular polish one as well, because I've been asked a lot for a regular polish one as well. It's just I'm just doing exactly the same technique as I would for regular polish. So just finish putting that on, and then I will just wipe my brush off and then go in with the yellow. I noticed a little bit up here has dragged away, so I will flash cure that. Okay, now we shall do the last flower now. I will do a full gel reverse stamping video as well for you guys. Yeah, I've been meaning to do this for so long, but you know, with getting caught up in lots of different stuff and getting sidetracked, and yeah, you know what it's like. I probably should have flash cured that so these yellow bits have come away again, but that's the good thing about gel, because you can just go back in. So I will flash cure that again. Okay, I'll just go in and just fill in the stems of the flowers as well, because if we're going to do it, we might as well do all of it. Really bad shakes today. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I've had the bad shakes for days now. I don't know. So yeah, I hope you guys find this tutorial kind of useful, and yeah, I think it's going to open up a lot of doors for a lot of people. So we will see how easily it comes off the stamp head. We shall see. Okay, I'm going to give that a full cure and then we will have a look. Okay, that's finished curing, so let's have a look and see if it's fully cured. Yep. So that is what it looks like. Get drawn out pretty. So I have a nail tip here. Now I haven't wiped the aspersion layer off, or the tacky layer, whichever way you term it. So we're going to see whether it's stamped straight on without removing the tacky layer, or whether I've got to cover it in top coat or not. So let's have a look. Moment of truth. So there you go. Done. What do you guys think? You'll have to excuse my nails. Yeah, I was meant to be recording something else. So there you go. A gel design that is reverse stamped on a clear stamper and fully cured. So we will just top coat this baby in. I'll just use my Elite 99 top coat. Now I used CAD's normal stamping polish to stamp the design. Now a quick tip, when you put top coat on, let's come up a little bit. I should have made sure that was stuck down. When you put top coat on, try not to keep going over it. Once you put it on, if you leave the room and you let it set, let it sit, don't go back in wiping over with the top coat brush, because if you do, you're going to smear all of your stamping. So once you've top coated, make sure you've covered it all, and if you step away, don't try and re-top coat again, just cure it. Okay, I'm going to stick this in the lamp and then we'll come back. Okay, so I did another one off camera. I did this one. Let me bring it up and show you. So this is a red and a slight orange. I don't know if you can really tell, but yeah. So they are the two nails that I did. So hopefully this helps some people, and hopefully this answers your question that yes, you can reverse stamp with gel polish. So yeah, give it a try. And yeah, let me know your results down below. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick tutorial or how to or experiment, whatever way you want to term it. I've just got to think a name for this video now. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below. If you have any questions, just ask them down below and I will get back to you. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down below. And yeah, hopefully I will see you in the next one. Oh, and you can also make these into decals as well. Just cover them in a top coat on the back side and the top side. So top coat it on this side first and then cure it and then peel it off, flip it over and then top coat the underside to protect them, and then they should stay flexible enough, and then you can just store them and use them when you are ready. Well, thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below and I will post a couple of pictures of these and all products will be listed down below. And yeah, please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and share with whoever you think might be interested, and I will get the regular polish reverse stamping video out this week as well, so keep an eye out for that. Well, thank you so much for watching and yeah, spending your time with me today, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care, bye.